Assalamualaikum to my lecturer, Sir Muhammad Ashraf Benga. Today we want to present about the impact of mechanization. First of all, let me introduce my team members' name. My name is Nora Azam Yusri, 23 DLH 18F 2050.
My name is Siti Binti Muhammad Ali, F2043.
My name is Siti Humaira Aisyah binti Abdul Rashid, F2035.
My name is Aisha Aisha Teri Abdullah, F2060.
Introduction. Horticulture mechanization implies the use of variation power source and improved tool and equipment with a view to reduce the drudgery of the human being and drug animal, enhance the cropping intensity, precision and timelines of efficiency of utilization of variation crop input and reduce the losses at different stages of crop production. The end objective of mechanization is to enhance the overall productivity and production with the lowest cost of production. The contribution of mechanization has been well recognized in enhancing the production together with irrigation, biological and chemical input of high yielding seed variety, fertilizer, pesticide, and mechanical energy.
Next is type of mechanization in landscape horticulture sector. Firstly is tools, an item or implement used for a specific purpose. A tool can be a hand tool such as hammer, saw, or power tools such as a grinders or sanding machine. Example of image tools is firstly is screwdriver, spanner, and plier. Secondly is handle drive, socket, ratchet, spanner, wrench. Thirdly is measuring tape, and lastly is grinder. And for the second one is equipment. Equipment is an instrumentally needed for an undertaking or to perform a service. This is an example image of equipment such as PPE types. Next is machinery. Machinery is consisting of engine collectively machine device that transmit or modify energy to perform or assist in the performance of human tasks such as lawnmower to cut a grass surface to an even height. Use of machine either wholly or in part to replace human labor. This is an example image of machinery. There are first one is skid steer loader, secondly is trencher machine, thirdly is power tiller, seedling planters, and hedges trimmer. Lastly is lawn mower.
Next is the importance of mechanization and the impact to landscape horticulture. First, mechanization is a crucial input of agricultural crop production and one that historically has been neglected in a context of developing countries. Factors that reduce the availability of farm power compromise the ability to cultivate sufficient land and have long been recognized as a sources of poverty, especially in sub-Saharan Africa. The third one is increasing the power supply to agriculture means that more tasks can be completed at the right time and the greatest area can be farmed to produce greater quantities of crops while conserving natural resources. And the last one is applying new technology that the environment friendly and enable farmers to produce crops more efficiently by using less power. Next is sustain. The, fifth,
Okay.
the fifth one is sustainable. The fifth one is sustainable agricultural mechanization can also contribute significantly to the development of of value chains and food system as it has a potential to render post-harvest processing and marketing activities and function more efficient, effective and environmentally friendly. This next is increasing level of mechanization does not necessarily mean big investment in tractor and other machinery. Farmers need to choose the most appropriate power sources that only operation depending on the work to be done and on who is performing it. Next one is the level of mechanization should meet their needs effective and efficiently. Next is women play an important role in many farmers-based communities and in some countries up to 80% of the total farm labor comes from women. After that is this is applies that power sources, human, animal and motor base need to be adapted to such necessary from economic, social, cultural and economic point of view. The last one is the production of drudgery is the key element that sustainable mechanization and contribute to reducing human hard workload by taking into consideration technologies apart to their needs and improving their access to appropriate forms of farm power. So the next one is sustainable mechanization can increase the first one is increase land production by facilitating timeliness and quality of cultivation. The second one is support opportunity that relieve the burden of labor so shortage and enable household to withstand shock better. The third one in the third one is decrease the environmental footprint of agriculture when combine the adequate as conservation agriculture practice. The last one is reduce poverty and achieve food security while improving people's livelihoods.
Okay, next slide show mechanization can make site works more efficient, effective, and environmentally friendly. First is quality of works. The work performed with the help of machine is generally more neat and legible than the work complete by hand. Therefore, the using of machines ensures the quality of work. Number two, low operating costs. Only labor time-saving machines are used in an office. Therefore, the wage bill may be reduced and produce more work. Number three, high efficiency. All the work can be performed with short periods. In this way, the machines are utilized to increase the efficiency of operations. Number four, accuracy. Accuracy. Human beings may commit more number of errors knowingly and unknowingly. However, the mechanizations prevent such clerical errors and omissions. It improves accuracy of words, especially counting, computations, and statistical calculations. Number five, relieve monotony. Using machines and equipment can reduce boring and time consuming. The monotony of doing a work is avoided in this way. Number 6 is standardizations of words. The words of office routines and procedures can be standardized with helps and mechanizations facilities. The standardizations leads to uniformity and better coordination of words. Number 7 is effective control. More information can be supplied quickly to management. The management also exercise effective control. Thus, the chance of fraud are minimized. Number 8 is create goodwill. The improved efficiency leads to greater profitability and creates goodwill of the organizations in the minds of suppliers and customers who are dealing with the organizations. Number 9 is quality decisions. Mechanization supplies adequate information to the management without any delay. This process facilitates and management to take quality decisions. Number 10 is covering more words. A single machine can do the words of 2 or 3 employees. Hence, the employees may be deputed to do some other works. In this way, more words can be covered through the process of mechanizations. Okay, that's all for this slide.
Conclusion. Mechanization often increases grouping intensity, but adaptation to mechanization can restrict the mode of framing. Mechanization is essential for profitable and sustainable. Mechanization enhance labor productivity and reduce human drudgery. Also, mechanization doesn't significant effect on labor unemployment.
That's all for us.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.